Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to make a new user account on Mac. On your Mac, choose the Apple menu and System Settings, then click Users and Groups in the sidebar. Now click the Add User button below the list of users. Then click the pop-up menu next to New User, then choose a type of user. An administrator can add and manage other users, install apps, and change settings. Standard users are set up by an administrator. Standard users can install apps and change their settings, but cannot add other users or change other users' settings. Sharing-only users can access shared files remotely, but cannot log into the computer or change settings. Now enter the full name of the new user. An account name is generated automatically. To use a different account name, enter it now. You cannot change it later. After that, enter a password for the user, then enter it again to verify. Enter a password hint to help the user remember their password and click Create User. If you want, further refine what the user can do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.